Boy, have we hit a nerve by exposing the pig barn roofing scam. Tempers are flaring, so I want to clear up a couple of things.
Frank Farmer, president of American Metal Roofs.
First of all, what I'm talking about has nothing to do with metal roofs on barns. American farmers have been using metal roofing on barns for generations, and rightly so. What I'm talking about is the use of roofing products designed for barns being installed on houses. Barns and houses are two vastly different applications. Homeowners are being sold on the idea that less expensive, thinner barn roofing panels are approved for use on homes. Contractors use these less expensive materials to undercut the cost of quality American metal roofs, but they don't explain the critical product differences to the homeowner. Barn roofs on barns, absolutely. Barn roofs on houses, a disaster waiting to happen.
Right now, it's American Metal Roofs Fall Installed Metal Roof Sale. Save up to $7,500. But hurry, call 844-638-2576 or visit